Unfortunately, I really don't have any predictions on what's going to happen with Google I/O. Google has almost kind of, really almost kind of fallen behind on their AI tools. I'm aware of their Gemini tool because I work in the industry and I keep up with these things. But I don't think the average person on the street could tell you what Google's AI tool is. Does anybody, do any of your friends know what Google's tool is? Do they use it at all? But I think most people would realize what ChatGPT is, right? ChatGPT is almost becoming like a generic word for these LLM models, right? Kind of like the word Xerox or the word Velcro, right? People know what you mean, that those are actually trademark names, right, or company names. So I'm not sure how many people are looking forward to the announcement. I'm not sure if there's a lot to look forward to.